Hi friends, my name is Vivekanandan. I'm student of Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. In this video, I'm going to discuss about connection-oriented service versus connectionless service. First, let's see content. Connection-oriented service. Explanation: connection-oriented service. Advantages of connection-oriented service. Disadvantages of connection-oriented service. Connectionless service. Explanation of connectionless service. Advantages of connectionless service. Disadvantages of connectionless service. Difference between connection oriented and connectionless services. Now let's see connection oriented service. Connection oriented service refers to a network communication system where connection is established between the sender and the receiver before the data transmission begins. It ensures reliable and orderly data delivery, making it ideal for applications that requires guaranteed delivery. Now let's see explanation of connection oriented service. Efficient data transmission. Connection-oriented service optimize the data transmission, providing streamlined and orderly flow of information, which reduces the risk of data loss and ensures efficient delivery. Sequence control. It involves sequence control mechanism for maintaining order of data packets, ensuring the proper organization of transmitted information and minimizing delays. Reliability. By establishing a connection, this services ensure that data is transmitted with high level of reliability, reducing the chance of errors and retransmissions. Now let's see advantages of connection oriented service. First, guaranteed data delivery provides an assurance that data will be delivered to the intended destination the correct order without loss and corruption. Efficient error control offers effective error control mechanism, ensuring that any errors or lost data packets are detected or corrected. Seamless streaming enables seamless streaming and real-time applications by maintaining a continuous data flow and minimizing interruptions. Now let's see disadvantages of connection-oriented services. High overhead. The establishment maintaining of connections result in higher overhead, which can reduce overall network efficiency. Latency in connection establishment. The time need to establish a connection may introduce latency, especially for a short data transactions. Less scalable. May be less scalable for managing a large number of transient, short-lived connections. Now let's see connectionless service. For connectionless service, operates without establishing a detected connection between the sender and the receiver before the data exchange, allowing greater flexibility and adaptability for network transaction. Explanation of connectionless service. Data packet forwarding. Connectionless service involves the forwarding of individual data packets independently, allowing for more dynamic and versatile routing of information. Minimized overhead. It reduces the network overhead by eliminating the needed for connection establishment and teardown, enhancing operational efficiency. Adaptivity routing enables adaptivity routing based on dynamic network conditions, providing agility and adaptability for enhanced efficient data transmission. Advantages of connectionless services. Scalability. Offer better scalability, especially for environment with a high volume of small independent data transmission. Lower latency. Reduce latency in the initiation of data transfers, providing quicker response times for applications that demand rapid communication. Enhance flexibility. Provide greater flexibility for handling a varying data patterns and supports diverse communication requirements. Disadvantages of connectionless services: loss of packet sequence. Packet loss or reordering can occur, potentially leading to data inconsistency or challenges in maintaining the order of transmitted information. Increased network traffic. Absence of connection setup procedures may contribute to additional network traffic due to broadcast or multicast operations. Data duplication. This risk of data duplication due to lack of tracking connections, which can result in inefficiencies during transmission. Now let's see difference between a connection oriented and connectionless services. First, let's see connection oriented service. Connection oriented service is related to the telephone system. Connection oriented service is preferred by a long and steady communication. Connection oriented services is necessary. Connection oriented service is feasible. In connection oriented service, conjunction is not possible. Connection oriented service gives a guarantee of reliability. In connection oriented service, packets follow the same route. Connection oriented service requires a bandwidth of high range. For example, TCP, Transmission Control Protocol. Connection oriented requires authentication. Now let's see connectionless services. Connectionless services related to the postal system. Connectionless services preferred by a bursty communication. Connectionless services is not compulsory. Connectionless services is not feasible. In connectionless services, conjunction is possible. Connectionless services does not give a guarantee of reliability. In connectionless services, packets do not follow the same route. Connectionless services requires a bandwidth of low range. For example, UDP, User Datagram Protocol. Connectionless services does not require authentication. Thank you.